Here's one of my first checks from a signing service that I did, from working for a signing service that I did last month, and the checks keep coming in. I became a notary in February of 2023. I kept searching around on the internet of what I could do with my notary commission. I ended up finding Mark and his loan signing system course online, and I was blown away by the testimonials his students gave of how fast they could actually make money, a lot faster than a deposition. So I said, why not? Let me go all in and I'll take a chance on it. Now I'm 5 months into the program. I'm about a month and a half as a full-blown loan signing agent out here marketing my own business. And I can tell you it works. I'm gonna say bye-bye to court reporting work very soon because my business is growing by the day. And I couldn't be more grateful to the loan signing system for showing me the way. Hello everyone, my name is Katie Porter, and I'm here to tell you why you need to go all in on the loan signing system. It's changed my life every single day since I started. And I believe that if you put the effort in, you will too see results very quickly. What's amazing about this system is that every anxiety or fear that you might have about building your own business as a loan signing agent will be put to ease. Everyone in the community and Mark and his energy will guide you in the right direction that you need to go. Whatever questions you have, whatever fears you have, they will be solved. I'll tell you a little bit about my story. I was looking for a career change and I found digital court reporting work online. I figured out that I needed a notary commission to do so. So that's where my notary public journey career began. For me, the issue with that work is that ultimately I didn't make as much money as I was hoping to make. It didn't quite pay the bills plus some, just covered the basics. So I kept searching around on the internet of what I could do with my notary commission because I know it's a very important role. And there has to be more to it than just, basic living. Otherwise, people wouldn't do it. And I ended up finding Mark and his loan signing system course online. All my fears, all my questions, they're getting answered. They've been answered. And I only feel that I continue to grow as an independent entrepreneur in this life. So I really wish that you let go of any reservations that you have. That's why you should join this and just take the plunge and join us, because we're out here. We're gonna make 6 figures, baby. Let's go. Let's go!